If you've seen people claim they're getting free stuff from Temu in under a minute, it sounds unrealistic, but there's a reason it feels that fast for some people, and it has nothing to do with luck. So in this video, I'll show you how the Temu free gift system works and how to get started the right way without wasting time. Before we go further, the latest working Temu free gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1, why it feels fast. Let's clear this first. Temu free gift is not instant, but it can feel fast when you enter the system correctly. That means you land directly inside the promotion. The reward system is already active. You skip the confusion most users face. So it's not click once, get item, it's enter correctly. System activates, progress starts immediately. Why most people don't get this experience? Here's the problem. Most users open Temu normally, start browsing, then try to find the free gift option. And by that point, it's already too late. They're not inside the promotion flow, the time-wasting mistake. If you enter Temu the wrong way, you stay in normal shopping mode. You don't see the event, and you end up wasting time trying random things. That's why it feels slow. Part 2, the under 1 minute method. Here's what actually saves time. Step 1, enter through the promotion. Before opening Temu, use the link in the description. This puts you directly into the free gift system. Step 2, activate immediately. Once the page opens, complete the activation step. Now your session is connected. Step 3, open Temu. Now open the app. You should instantly see free gift event, reward screen, item selection. This is where the under 1 minute feeling comes from. Step 4, apply the code. Enter the free gift code shown on screen. This connects your account to the active campaign. Step 5, follow the flow. Now just follow the steps. Offers, tasks, interactions. This is how you unlock rewards. What to expect? Let's keep it real. Setup can feel fast. System works when entered correctly. Rewards are possible. It's not fully instant completion. Some steps still take effort. Results can vary. Final takeaway. Getting started in under a minute is possible, but only if you enter the system the right way. Otherwise, you'll just waste time trying to figure it out. Try this method and comment what happened. Did the free gift section appear instantly for you?